What's going on, guys? So in this video, we're gonna find out if the iPhone 11 Pro Max, this giant freaking iPhone with massive amount of cameras, will fit in the Mavic 2 Pro controller. Welcome to the channel. So usually on this channel, we hover around FPV drones. I do build videos, tutorials, reviews, and even some first looks at some brand new stuff in the FPV realm. So if you're interested in building or have a quad that's not quite right, or even just want to check it out, go ahead and punch that subscribe button, because we come out with videos every Sunday and once in a while on a Thursday, just to get out some extra content. So if you're interested, stick around. Maybe you want to ring that bell down there too. That's cool too. And you can be notified when I upload videos. So in today's video, I want to go into the Mavic 2 Pro controller and to find out if the new iPhone 11 Pro Max will fit. So let's go ahead and get this guy on the bench and we'll take a closer look. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and as you can see, it's got 3 cameras on the back, and it is roughly the size of the Mavic 2 Pro controller. But anyway, you guys want to see what this looks inside of this, so let's go ahead and set this guy up. What I try to do is connect this lightning port first. I'll put the phone in like this, line it up, push it in place, and then go ahead and push the phone up into the controller and then grab the arms and twist them in. Then finally make sure that is connected in place. So here's a look at the 11 Pro Max inside of the Mavic 2 Pro controller. This is with the DJI Go 4 app installed, and it's just a quick little overview. So here's how it fits in my hands. So I still have access to the rear buttons. If I were to flip this so you guys can see how I can kind of hold it like that. So if I flip this, you can see how I can hold it. You can access these 2 buttons here just fine, and you've got the top 2. You can access the wheels and the record button and the camera button. So all in all, fairly comfortable with a nice view of everything that's going on. So your palms don't cover the screen at all, they're off to the side. You can see the entire screen. All in all, fairly comfortable. I like having the real estate. Ideally, I would like the iPad size screen, but with such a small controller like this, like, you don't get a Mavic without the portability in mind. And to put an iPad screen, you squash the portability of it all. This is good because this is something that you always have in your pocket, and you could just whip this out, and having the 2 of them similarly sized, it works out. So that's a quick look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max inside of the Mavic 2 Pro controller. So if I had to make some changes, I really wish that these wings right here were pushed in a little bit further. I kind of feel like it tilts your wrists out, but it is a comfortable position. You can access all the controls just right and fly it the way you need to. You can access these top buttons. If you're a pincher, you can kind of wrap your pinkies around the back of this like this, and then access these 2 buttons here, and then you can access the top camera buttons like that. Or if you are a thumber, you can still reach everything, kind of wrap your fingers around like that, and hit it with your middle fingers here for these 2 buttons, access these and your record buttons. So either way, it's comfortable. I just wish these were just pushed in just a tiny bit, maybe a 1/4 inch each one or whatever. But That's not me complaining, that's me nitpicking. This fits pretty good. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done it already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button, because you only get to do it once and it's fun, and I'll catch you later. Peace.